Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 budget headphones in 2023. Let's get into it. Number 1. Anker Soundcore Life Q20 Wireless Headphones. The Life Q20 headphones use hybrid active noise cancellation to block out ambient noise. This means that they can effectively cancel out low-frequency noises like engine and traffic noise, as well as mid-frequency noises like people talking. The headphones also have a long battery life of up to 40 hours in wireless ANC mode or 60 hours in standard Bluetooth mode. This means that you can easily use them for a long flight or a day of work without having to worry about running out of battery. They are high-res audio certified, which means that they can reproduce audio with a high level of detail. The headphones also have a comfortable design with soft, memory foam ear cups and a padded headband. This means that you can wear them for long periods of time without feeling any discomfort. Here are some advantages of the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 wireless headphones. It has great sound quality, effective active noise cancellation, long battery life, comfortable design, affordable price. And here are the disadvantages. ANC can be a bit too strong for some people, not as portable as some other headphones. Build quality could be better. So overall, the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 wireless headphones are a great option for budget-minded consumers who are looking for a pair of headphones with great sound quality, active noise cancellation, and a long battery life. If you're looking for a great pair of headphones without breaking the bank, then I highly recommend the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 wireless headphones. Number 2. The Cambridge Audio Melomania 1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. The Melomania 1 Plus earbuds is a wireless earbuds that uses a 7mm dynamic driver to deliver clear and detailed sound. They also have a built-in aptX codec, which provides support for high-quality audio streaming. The earbuds have a comfortable fit with soft, silicone ear tips. They also have an IPX5 water resistance rating, making them suitable for use in light rain or sweat. Here are the advantages. It has great sound quality, comfortable fit, long battery life, IPX5 water resistance, and affordable price. The disadvantages are no active noise cancellation, no wireless charging, and touch controls can be a bit finicky. The Cambridge Audio Melomania 1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds are a great option for budget-minded consumers who are looking for a pair of earbuds with great sound quality, no active noise cancellation, a comfortable fit, and a long battery life. If you're looking for a great pair of earbuds without breaking the bank, then I highly recommend the Cambridge Audio Melomania 1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. Number 3. Jabra Elite 3 True Wireless Earbuds. These earbuds are a more budget-friendly option from Jabra, but they still offer a lot of great features, which are powerful bass and clear sound, 4-microphone technology for crystal clear calls, passive noise reduction to help you block out ambient noise, hear-through mode so you can still hear your surroundings, up to 7 hours of battery life on a single charge, with an additional 21 hours from the charging case, IPX5 water resistance, and Google Fast Pair for quick and easy pairing with your Android device. The passive noise reduction is also effective at blocking out ambient noise, so you can focus on your music or your calls without being interrupted. And if you need to be aware of your surroundings, you can switch to hear-through mode. The battery life is also impressive. I've been able to get about 7 hours of listening time on a single charge, and the charging case provides an additional 21 hours. So you can easily get through a full day of use without having to worry about running out of battery. The Jabra Elite 3 True Wireless Earbuds are a great option for anyone looking for a pair of affordable earbuds with great sound quality and features. They're comfortable to wear, they sound great, and they have a long battery life. I highly recommend them. Number 4. Sony WHGH 510 Wireless Headphones. These headphones are a great option for anyone looking for a comfortable, affordable, and stylish pair of wireless headphones. The Sony WHGH 510 headphones have a lot to offer, including wireless connectivity, long battery life, comfortable design, stylish design. The sound quality is excellent, with clear highs, deep bass, and a well-balanced soundstage. The headphones also do a good job of blocking out ambient noise, so you can focus on your music or your calls without being interrupted. The Sony WHCH 510 wireless headphones are a great option for anyone looking for a comfortable, affordable, and stylish pair of wireless headphones. Number 5. Skullcandy Crusher Wireless Headphones. These headphones are known for their incredible bass response, and they're a great option for anyone who loves to feel the music. The Skullcandy Crusher wireless headphones have a lot to offer, including massive bass, wireless connectivity, long battery life, comfortable design, and durable construction. The sound quality is excellent, with clear highs, deep bass, and a well-balanced soundstage. The bass response is truly incredible, and it's perfect for listening to music with a lot of bass, like hip-hop, electronic, and rock. The headphones also do a good job of blocking out ambient noise, so you can focus on your music or your calls without being interrupted. The Skullcandy Crusher wireless headphones are a great option for anyone looking for a pair of headphones with incredible bass response. They're comfortable to wear, they sound great, and they have a long battery life. I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching, PLS Like, share, and subscribe.